Now here is a tricky one. Always charge according to your skills and professionalism. When we underestimate ourselves, we become not trustworthy. That's a very interesting thing which I personally experienced many times. Anytime I try to put down my prices, people tell me you are way more senior and more professional to charge that. And now they have trust issues with me because they say, you either will not deliver what you promise because you charge too less. Either you lied us about your credentials because if you have these credentials, you can't charge us less. So the way you charge, the way you present your product, the way you present your connections is telling people whether they can trust you or not. That's a very important subconscious message which people will get from you. So the way you charge will attract a very specific audience to your courses, to your content, to your coaching or whatever you sell. So think about that. What is the level of expertise you have? What is the level of attention do you have? And how much you can charge with that. Now, you don't need to be perfect. That's a tricky part. You might not have perfect lighting. You might not have perfect microphone, but what you need to deliver is the level of content which solves people's problem. And this is how you attract right people to your brand.